What does $850,000 get you in Overland Park? Come with me. Let's go find out. Ooh, I like this tire.
Enjoy the sunshine.
I thought it was black. It's not black. It's like maroon. Ooh. I like this. Little gold fixtures. That is one funky chandelier. Walk-in closet.
Technically, take care.
Same. Ooh.
I love this house. I don't know if I'm cool enough to admit it, but I love it.
This is comfortable. Terracotta tile on the backsplash. Yeah. Ew. Oh, and a gas stove.
The white one at that.
Yeah. Textured wall.
It's a whitewash paint.
Whitewash paint.
So it's kind of textured. That's what it's supposed to be.
I like that though. Alright. Well. There's a lot of wallpaper in here. Oh my. Ew. I do like this bathroom though. With the skylights. I like that.
Your situation.
The mirror situation is weird, but I like the rest of the bathroom. I like this. I like that.
The tile.
Yeah, I like this. I like the skylights. Yep.
That's nice. Oh, I almost feel like I would have done stink with a toe in the middle. That way you'd have a wall for the mirror.
Yeah.
I don't know if this would be enough room. Oh, that might have been.
The door don't stay open. Goodness gracious.
I like that color.
I do too.
This wallpaper's interesting.
It is
Like,
very
it's not-
interesting.
This type of wallpaper, like with this small of a pattern, I wouldn't hate this on one wall.
One wall,
One wall.
but not every wall.
But, I mean, yeah, it's not my style, but it does look that here.
Why, hello. Oh, wash and dryer up here. That's nice. Yeah, I like this. I really like their tile choices.
I think the person that camera. This is a good use of this space. I don't know why she would have done it.
I don't either. I like this.